I heard someone here.
The airdrop is coming.
Should we go to the chippy?
Vehicle here.
Were there any level 3 backpacks, by the way?
No.
Any level 3 backpack in that building?
Flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Oh, my car's gone silent. Siren, you're on left.
Sniper rifle here.
You want it? I've got one.
I'll open this. I'll open the chippy.
Yeah.
No, I'm good. There's a Zerg in this box as well. I don't know if I should switch to sniper. Kinda need a sniper extended mag. Oh, there's one in the toilet, just a normal one. I'm gonna get this Zerg.
The airdrop is coming.
Oh, that's going to be down south here.
Right, I'm coming. Where should we go? Yeah,
Airdrop has been delivered.
where are we going?
South. Well, the one was going across.
Oh, fuck. Just as well I didn't go too far.
The revived flight will
Where
arrive
did
in
it
1
go?
minute.
Factory. Just having I'm going to.
Quite a lot of shots in the overtime.
There should be.
The airdrop is coming.
Oh, taking it.
Right, it can't be too many people, right? Not a full squad. Anyway, I'm right behind you.
Where's the guy there?
Down. Engaging the enemies.
Seabream. Oh, car's here. Just drove past. I think it might be following me.
Engaging the enemies. Enemy down.
Gonna have to look back away, by the way. There might be a car. There was. I think he kind of followed me, but then terrain wasn't right for them. I'll go flip him if he's coming.
Oh, there is,
to
yeah.
engage.
The
Yeah.
revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
He's in the Mario Kart? Right.
Who's in the hut?
He's gonna crash, man. Oh, I flipped him. It's him. That's the one with the. That's the one with the. Is that skin? What would you call skin? It's the one with the switchblade. Yeah.
Chip terminal
Good. Haha, cookie monster. Yep. Here, watch out. Got him. Oh, he's weak. Ninja into the house. He's really weak, very weak.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Whoa. I'm very weak as well, by the way. No, they should ran away further towards the back of you. Over this direction. Somewhere over here. Need to heal up. Oh shit!
Half of the teams
Right,
are
over there. Yep, where you at? Yep.
Well, this is the first one shot.
And we're done. We're done.
Enemy eliminated.
Oh,
Should we do this?
right.
The airdrop is coming.
He had.
This switchblade?
The
Was he
airdrop
good?
has been delivered.
Yeah.
The
Get the
revived
mythic
flight will
switchblade.
arrive in 1 minute.
Nah. I
So,
think
I knew that was a girl at the start of the game.
we didn't get
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a custom. I need my custom.
on. Oh no, they're not. We're still from that. Take 25.
Oh, car's coming in.
作戦行動を開始します
He's got to come into this wee hut. Oh, he got off.
Oh, what shot? Oh, 2 shots. Oh, you bastard. Yeah, I think he got out thinking to do this duty, but I shot him. Just quickly jumped back in.
I shot him as well, man. Have you?
Go, chase him. I shot him twice.
The airdrop
Shoot
is
him.
coming.
Keep him under pressure.
Our
I've only
vehicle
got
is
a.
about to explode.
Where is he, Danny, now? I don't see him.
Airdrop has been delivered.
待機中です
Oh, I see him, I see him. No, that's not him.
Yeah, the bike thing, so.
I couldn't
He's in.
see the bike though. Where is it?
Yeah, he's in factory or what?
I don't see his bike. Don't see him.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Any spare kinetics, you guys? No.
Well, actually, I've only got the one anyway.
Alright, put it on. Let's go.
Mythic. And
May as well go in, have a wee look. Let's go. I'm gonna zip up to the roof. Let me out, please. Thank you.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Watch this.
The safe zone is collapsing.
The
I think this
airdrop
guy's
is
got
coming.
any. I think any of them got rest. He, at most, he only got one of them. The switchblade girl.
no, we wouldn't have. The thing goes for switchblade goes. Did he?
Oh, he definitely didn't get the one in the middle of the buildings. I
think we just scared him. I don't think he.
The last revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Down to the last 5 teams.
We can just stay in the top of the gun.
Oh, that's it. Oh. You weren't even going that fast. Yeah.
Well, I got get the kinetic.
Yeah, go. No, go, just walk. Just drive up. This one right now. Oh, shots from behind. Yeah. Has it been opened? You sure? Oh, there's one. There's one in the box still. My box. Oh, that guy's the sniping. See him?
No. Where's this?
Only 2 teams left.
He's down at the
Getting
buildings
close
over
to
there somewhere.
Yeah. Whoa, he sniped me. Which shot me? He's at northwest, 302.
Oh, he's on the roof.
Yeah,
We have a winner.
come. I wall banged him. Wall bang.